Hello friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video we are learning how to fix WhatsApp update error. Okay, you can see here this is my WhatsApp and here is this version of WhatsApp become out of date on 15th February 2026. Tap to download below, get the latest version from the Google Play Store. Okay, that means this is the last final warning and we can simply download the WhatsApp from Google Play Store. Simply click download. If you see the page, simply click download option. Then you can select Galaxy Store or your Play Store. Some phones does not have Galaxy Store. That phones directly go to Play Store. Then go to Play Store. Click on update. Simply you can see WhatsApp is updating, and after that simply open your WhatsApp. So you can see here it is working. So in this way you can simply fix your WhatsApp update problem by using this method. So that's guys, very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so I can easily watch, understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.